You've had personalization options with Royal Enfield motorcycles, but for the first time, the company is bringing customization options. This is the 2024 Classic 350, and it can now be customized to your taste with the new Royal Enfield Factory Custom program. Essentially, what it does is it allows you, the customer, to customize the motorcycle, specifically the Classic 350 for now, to your taste at the factory itself. That's an industry first feature. Now, what it really does is you get the option to select the colors of your choice, the paint options of your choice mixed to your taste. You could also change the badging, the seat, the lettering on it. In fact, even the stitching can be of your choice as well, and a lot more. Want to change the color of the chassis? Can be done. In fact, you can mix up colors from this massive palette of color options. And remember, this is above and beyond the 7 colorways introduced with the 2024 edition. So plenty of changes right there. And all of this has been done to bring more personalized touch, more exclusivity to the Royal Enfield Classic 350 customer. Now, this of course is the brand's bestseller, so naturally they would want to start that customization program with this motorcycle. And this is just one part of the puzzle. Now come closer, I'm going to show you what more you can do. You can see the colors here, you can see more paint options, finishes, matte, glossy, whatever you like, you can select from here. And the end result is something like these fuel tanks that you see. It could be a glossy one like that, dual tone one like that, the leather finishes that I told you for the seats, the different badging stickers you can get, all of that done to your spec. This is something we haven't seen really in other motorcycle brands. So very interesting in what the brand wants to do. Now remember, fundamentally it's still the same bike, so you still get the same motorcycle. In this case it's a 2024 Classic 350, so J series platform, 349cc engine, 20 bhp, 27 Nm peak torque, 5-speed gearbox, all of that stays the same. And the colorways is where primarily you will get the change. Now Royal Enfield says that it will take about 90 days for the turnaround time from when you place the order to when you get the bikes. But the changes fundamentally make it a very different bike than what you get run in terms of what the assembly line rolls out. This will be specifically for your taste. Prices aren't known yet what the factory custom tour or the factory custom program will cost, but interesting, very interesting in what the customer gets to do with their motorcycle and how interesting or how different it is from the standard colors that you can make. So definitely something that we look forward to. Prices will be out mostly on the 1st of September, and we'd like to see more what the brand does with this program.